And you see this back one is not, see the, here we are, the strings on it, and it's dead straight. But even so, some of the boards are a bit warped and we have to just manoeuvre them a little bit and bolt them in place. But yeah, that's it so far. So hopefully I will, on the centre joint as well, I'll show you later. But that's basically how it goes. Hopefully I shall have this bit here, majority of this finished today, I think, and then tomorrow there'll be a little bit left over. So it's a lot of process, a lot of progress. You have to bring it from, if you had a brigade of people here, you'd have like one over there cutting it, and then another one fetching it, and another guy in the middle who would be putting it in place. But now on my own, I have to jump over the thing. The wife's helping a bit, but she can't lump those things around, so I have to jump over, bring those in, cut it, come here, measure it, jump over there, cut it, go over to there, no sorry, go over there, measure it, cut it over here, bring it into here, then nail it here, then back, then measure the next one, back over, and yeah, you get the idea. It's like bumming, and I've got nobody to hold the other end of the tape measure, so I've got a piece of block of wood over there with a screw in it, and I just screw it to the edge and put the tape measure on that, so my disattle, if you like. But yeah, there you go. So that's how it's going so far, and it's not bad actually, considering the timber is not the best quality. And you can obviously, I don't know if you can see it, but if you, this one here, not sure if you can see that. Let's see if I can get a better angle. There's a lot of water here, but the timber is kind of warped a bit. It's like this all across it on that one there, and that would be eliminated if you were to have this planed up. But I mean, the cost of getting this free material is what, about 3,700 rubles, and if you were to get this planed up, well, it has to be dried first, then planed up, etc. You can go as high as 60,000 rubles. You know, it starts to, which is what, $600 US or 600 pounds UK. You know, it starts to get to 600 pounds, 60 pounds. It starts to get really expensive, and this is one cheap way of doing it, but you have to faff around with it and mess around. You could say I could plane it all up yourself. No, okay, a month planing timber, and even then it won't be guaranteed to be dead on. So economise, but yeah, it's just one of those things, isn't it?